diarized. But when used the standardized equipments as based with that, we have demonstrated that those equipments are easily to enjoy the life of that facility, will easily be given the same compatibility. So as our team went to the field, as our team asked for the needs and from the counties, we did a direct procurement, and I have attached, Madam Chair, the contract between KEMSA before that, Madam Chair, if you go to Appendix 3, we have attached the validation of the renal consumable specification, which we did through our stakeholders. There was the officer who is sitting here, who did visit all this, and it was led by our Supplementary Service Division head, Joyfrey Magui, who can confirm these minutes, and he was accompanied by Priska Mudhoni, who is a quality assurance officer, and Shohi Mwangi, who is our sales officer, and they visited all these facilities. As you can see, Magui visited Jaramogi Odinga, Kakamega, Bungoma, and Kisii. The other two officers visited Coast Referral, Twafik Mission, Machakos County Referral, Marindi County, and all these, they came up with a whole report on Appendix 3 that starts from the background of the survey. It goes to the objectives of the survey and the findings from each facility, all of them to 2.4, with recommendations, and I may wish to take you to 2.4, Madam Chair. It is on page, is on page 23, Appendix 3, Madam Chair. Page 23, Senator. Yes, the recommendations of the finding were they needed to constitute a technical working group to fine-tune the specifications, update specifications for renal consumables based on the emerging identified needs, extend product line of renal consumables to include new sizes of the same products and new ones, liaise with the collaborating with Kenya Renal Association of Kenya to develop the essential list of specialized renal consumables, and have renal nurse from dialyzing centers to be incorporated in the evaluation. So we did this, and all the recommendations were done, and if we go to 2.5, which forms part of our submission, you can see the summary of the findings and the recommendations, and you can see we have recommendations from Jaramogi Odinga, Kakamega. The recommendations is Belco, and we have others like Fresenius from Jaramogi Odinga, and we have Belco. We have B. Brown from Coast General, Belco, and Twafik, Gabro, and Nipro. And all these are issues that, Madam, we recommended. If you look at the recommendation, there are places where we are saying restricted tender, and there were areas where we approved to go for what I would call a direct procurement. So after that, Madam Chair, we did do an invitation to the Angelica, and we did sign a framework contract, which is on Appendix 4. And if you look at this, is a detailed document that has been developed after the tender process of the restricted tender has been done. And you can see, Madam Chair, that on this we have done attachment of this document, and the signatories are also there after the process was complete. It was signed by the, sorry, it was signed by, it is on page. Yes, I signed. The legal director also signed. And the procedure is usually that, I'm looking for that page, Madam Chair. Yeah, it's on page 3 or 4 of the contract. And you can also see the name of the Angelica was represented, and they have signed there. And 2 officers from that firm signed. And then when you go through, we did the notification. That is on the dated 18th of July, 2019. I think I'm okay. And if I will leave anything, my director, both legal and procurement, will make a comment, Madam Chair, because we want to be as transparent as it can be in the authority. We have done everything that we could, and as you can see, these documents are arranged in that order. And we did write to, Madam Chair, we did write to Belco, and I think I need to be pointed where the letter is. Appendix 9, Madam Chair. We did write to Belco through an email that was dated 19th, sorry, yes, I'm being pointed to the right document.
Na mtazamaji, hicho ni kikao ambacho kinaendelea katika majengo ya bunge, ambapo hicho ni kikao cha seneti ama seneta, kikao maalum cha maseneta ambacho sasa kimetwikwa jukumu la kuweza kufanya uchunguzi kuhusiana na sintofahamu inayozingira vifaa vya kukodisha mashine za kufanya kazi katika hospitali mbalimbali, mashine za magonjwa sugu kama vile saratani, usafishaji wa mikojo, ambapo wengi tunazifahamu kama leased medical equipment. Kumbuka ni mpango ambao uligharimu serikali ya kitaifa mamilioni ya pesa, lakini inavyofahamika kwa sasa ni kwamba magavana walipofika mbele ya kamati ya seneti waliweza kusema kwamba wao kufikia sasa wanatozwa takriban shilingi milioni 200 kila mwaka kwa kukodisha mashini hizo, ilhali wengi wao wamelalamika kwamba mashini hizo ziko kwenye hospitali lakini hazifanyi kazi, manake hakuna madaktari na vile vile hakuna wataalam wa kuzitumia.